All right, let's review what happened today. So far, it looks like Nasdaq seemed to be um, a better instrument to trade with the strategy. It looks like it's performed better with the because of the movement, a lot of movement in it. I'm looking at overnight, not much movement at all, which is very good because no, they don't have no volatility at all on the overnight. So the strategy did not kick in, and the strategy kick in about um 8 this morning. It kicking, it makes some profit here. Then the market goes flat for a while, and then when the market open again, same thing happened yesterday. Yesterday it kicked in at 8:36. It placed the first trade, and today, again, almost the same time again. The volatility kick in. Also, he make the first trade. It was a short, make the money. Going long, it did not take that long. It looks like it was a fake long because the band is still going, but it looks like the candle height was too short, so he did not place the trade. He tried to go short. He tried to go buy again, tried to go long. I won 856. Did not work. He come back again with a stop loss, and then he go back short and got a nice points right there. That was a very nice lengthy here. You can see, um, that line right here make a nice short position right here. Um, 42 point, they get that. Then it, the minute he closed the position, he re-entered the position long again, going long because right now he found an opportunity to go long. Then he hit the long again, which is very nice for me here. He go back here and get under 26 points. And the market actually, of course, it goes sideways for a minute again. And then over here, I got a sell short, stop loss. So it looks like the market now is slowing down. It's not having that much movement. And you can see that we have no more trade. The candles are kind of slowing down. Yesterday, it was about 10:20, which is night is 11:20. It's like 2 hours after the market opened, but it looks like this time is about maybe hour and a half after the market open, the market slowing down. So I don't see that much movement. So if I can see the report on that trade for that performance, this is a real time trade. So I'm going to show the real time trade on that one. So the real time trade on that one, it gave us 1400. So I got 9 trade, 5 winning trade, 4 losing trade. The profit ratio was almost 2.0, which is pretty good, not too bad. It's very good. So if we take a look at the trade, if we look at the trades to see what's going to happen, so here are the trade. The first trade was a loss, second trade was a win, third trade you can see those loss, and you can see what kind of stop loss we have. We have a stop loss at $290 loss. We have another one that's we went
Stop
long.
filled.
Now we have that 375, 190, 210. That's a big win that we have right there, and that's after
Order
the
canceled.
market open. That's a 990 profit, which is pretty good. We have a 580 loss with a stop loss. That was a big one. Most likely is a big candle on a second 2 minutes candle. That gave us a big loss, 580. Then right after that, we got an 820 profit. Another one, we have a 465 profit. Then we have a 375 loss. And most likely, we are able to stop the strategy from trading. So that's what give us a nice 1425 in profit. Using night trade, winning 5 and then losing 4. Average trade $158. Average winning trade is 572. Average losing is 538, which give us the ratio is 1.59. Anything above 1 typically is good. We have 2 consecutive win. We have 1 loss back to back. Largest winning trade today was 990. Largest losing trade was 580. Average trade we did was about, you see, average time in the market is about 8 minutes. So we didn't stay that long per trade. It's about 8 minutes those trades stay on. So that's what we have right now. So far everything looks okay. So I'm going to stop the strategy from trading. That's it for today on it. And then I know The strategy looks pretty good so far, but you see, you can see overnight, no movement at all. And that's what we want. We don't want no trade when the market is going sideways. You see, we can see the strategy recognize when they have movement, when the volatility kick in and you make those trades. I mean, this is so far is very good. So I think we're going to start keep using only Nasdaq. Nasdaq have better movement than Dow or S&P or Russell. So far, so good.
Order submitted.
Here you go. He's under the trade. He just recover. He just find out right now there's a volatility just kicking while I'm doing that video right now. Is kicking in, and you can see the volatility start moving up, even though it's going long. He put a stop loss right on the bottom right here. Here's a stop loss. Now I'm just going in profit. Candle is validated, and you can see why that entry, why we have that entry. That candle right here, the third candle, right at 10:08, it was undecided. Undecided after two red candles. That candle become undecided at 10:08. Then we have that candle at 10:10, 2 minutes later. It's confirmed there's an uptrend, there's a reversal. He said, okay, there's a reversal. After that candle reversal complete, then we enter long on the third candle, which is fully satisfying our movement. And you can see how it's whipping, it's going up, it's moving up right now on that candle. I'm going to wait another minute because that candle will be 2 minutes to see what happens in the next 2 minutes, if it's going to go down or if it's going to go up. Because every candle is a 2 minutes candle. So we do a 2 minutes candle, we do a 2 minutes candle. So each candle is actually 2 minutes. So some 2 minutes is bigger than under the 2 minutes. Uh, so this one is moving forward, is moving up. We're going to wait for the next minute or so to see what's going to happen. Right now it's 10:12, so we're going to wait for that 14 to see what happens. If the next candle is going, there we go. The next candle is still moving up, which is pretty good. We just leave it there, and we have a stop loss. So we know our candle. The next candle was not too high, so our stop loss will not be that big. So if we have to start, because typically the stop loss is based on the size of the previous candle. So right now it's moving okay. It's moving up. We enter here at 20, what's that? 24, 24. And right now
Order
it's moving.
submitted.
There we go. It's still moving. The next candle just created. You get another higher candle. It move up again. So we just keep on watching that trade. That trade is moving up, which is okay. So now we have 2 minutes to see on that candle to see what's going to happen to the next candle. And if the next candle is what happened is what's going to happen for it to go come down, either it got to hit our stop loss. If it doesn't hit the stop loss, which is at 24, where we bought it at, if it doesn't hit that stop, and then the candle have to come red. As long as we have a green candle, it will keep on moving. It will keep us on that trade until the candle turn from green to red, then it will get us out. But right now it's moving up. We're going to keep that trade moving. We're going to let the system managing it. We're not going to get out of it. We're just going to let it ride the trend. Uh, it's still moving. So right now it placed that candle was at 10:14. So at 10:16, the next candle will be created. We're going to see what's going to happen. If it's going to give us a next green candle, um, if it goes the next green candle, so we should be okay. Or otherwise, sometimes we're looking for a sideway. When we get a sideway, the minute it hit when on the sideway, typically we're lacking the maximum profit on the sideway for the next candle. If the next candle is undecided, it will say, you know what, I don't know what to do right now. I'm going to get you out. So for now, we just keep moving. We're going to keep watching it and to see what's going to happen for the next candle. So right now we are here at 10:14 candle. So waiting for see for the next candle to be created to see if it's going to be a green candle. It looks like it's going to be a green candle because the price right now, the price is already to the top of the candle, which is pretty good. This is already to the top. When the price is at the top of the candle, it shrink. Here you go. There we
Order
go.
canceled.
There you go. You can see right now the next candle, the price is still at the top of the candle. Typically, I only have to worry when the price is below or the price is going down. When the price is going, if the line, if you look at the blue line, if the blue line going below the candle, the next candle will be closed, will be lower, and then the position will be closed. But for now, everything seems to be okay. We just looking at that, and you see, I was going to close the position because I was seeing that the market was trading sideways, but it looks like it's picking up some steam right now. It's picking up some steam. So it's a lot of now the market is fully strong right now. We are up $300 on that trade, so we're just going to keep that trade moving. 10.16 right now. So we're going to wait to see what's going to happen for the 10.18. What's going to happen for that candle? Um, So it's 335 right now on that trade, and you can see the price is moving high. You see the line,
Stop
that
filled.
blue candle is moving, pulling nicely up right now, and you can see some trading on the back end keep getting stop fill, but this is not for that strategy that we are monitoring right now. That's under the strategy that probably using, maybe that's S&P or probably something else. But right now we are focusing right now on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the one that I think who works better on that strategy. So I'm monitoring Nasdaq with it. Now we up 320 at 300. Okay, now we have a nice wick on the top. You see, start coming back down. There you go. You see how it come down to 75 to 85, but the price is still above it. So sometimes we can say, hey, let me quick take the profit, and you make the profit, and the candle start whipping up. So we try to avoid those things. We want to have make sure that the strategy is working the way we expect it to work, so we can evaluate that. There we go. The next candle, it come green again. It going up. It's going to the top. So it shows there's a lot of strength on the market. So it's still going up. So we're going to see how far that thing will take us. Right now, there you go. You see now the candle is whipping to the top. That's mean as long as the blue line is moving it on top, that's mean we know there's a lot of strength on the market. So you see how it's whipping to the top. So we're going to leave it running. We're just going to leave it running. So the next candle, we're waiting for the next candle to see what's going to get. If we're going to get a top candle, a short, if we're going to get a small candle or undecided candle, but for now we're seeing that is moving. And you can see from the Bollinger Band is above the middle band right now. You see the orange line is above. We have three orange line now is above the middle band. So that means there's a lot of strength in the market right now. And look at the price. Look at the price on all to the top of the candle. Look at that. Is all to the top of that candle. That means the next candle will be a high. So the market will we got it will give us a little more money on the top. So we're going to see the next candle. We're waiting for the next candle to be created. Right now, we are 10.18. The candle seems to be is going up and down, but we're not at the top. You see, there's a nice wick on top. There you go. You start bring it down. That candle start. You see the body of that candle start getting smaller. Look at that. It start getting smaller. We lost almost half of the profit that we make on that single candle. Most likely, the next candle will get us out. The next candle should get us out because the next candle it will be a lower candle. It will be a lower high candle. You see, and that's the crazy thing with that strategy. You see how it goes from $400 profit. You see how low you're getting. You see how much you lose. But sometimes you have to play with it to see how it works. And then at the end, you may say, hey, you know what? You see, from it will get us out in the next candle. You see, because that trade is based on candle.
Order
There you go.
canceled.
See, now we close that candle. So if we take a look at to see how much profit on that candle is, I'm going to see how much did we make on that trade. So I'm going to take a look at that. So if I look at that trade that we have, the last trade, it give us 100. That's 100. So the last trade give us 100 because you can see the last trade was 100. Then I can go ahead now. I can start that strategy. Now that strategy was running right now, I can go ahead and stop it. I can say I don't want to run it no more. I stop that strategy. Now it's not going to take no more trade. So you see, clear everything out. And that's it for today.